We're going to get you back to what's been going on with Google. I'm joined now by Virginie Maisonneuve from Schroder. So Virginie, thanks for joining us. But what do you make of it all? What's your impression? You're a big investor in China, a Sinophile.
Well, I think in terms of Google China, there's really a couple of angles we have to look at. The first one clearly is the market. Market is very large, 238 million internet users, huge potential for advertising growth. So this is a very important market. Now, if you look at it from the Chinese perspective, what you have is clearly a market that does not function like every other market in the world, some level of censorship, but the rules, I think, were made quite clear when Google came in. So, I mean, that's one thing. Nobody forced Google to go in China. Now, if you take
we don't know the nature of this hacking, though, precisely, do we?
We don't really know exactly what happened.
So are we just taking Google's word for it?
Well, what we know is what Google has told us, and then if you take the Google perspective, which is the fact that, you know, it is difficult when you want to provide information on a global basis to accept censorship. But now that you've had this hacking, if you want, going tracing, they say an attack on their corporate infrastructure, they say it came from Taiwan, the same as some of the attack that took place onto the Dalai Lama's computer recently, it's very unclear.
Virginie,